Why solar flip poles every 11 years? Every 11 years the polarity of the sun changes. The reversal of polarity is so accurate at times, and this is one of the most difficult and unresolved riddles about the sun. On the surface of the sun there is a mixture of gravity and magnetism. There is magnetism as a result of the rotation of the sun on the axis. There is a gravitational force that changes in areas on the sun that are mistaken considered for magnetism. On this picture, not all magnetic fields. Some of these are areas where the force of gravity changes as a result of gravity of the star in the other universe. Gravity equals magnetic field. From the side of the white hole, the exit of the black hole, which is inside the sun, there is an extra mass of the star in the other universe added to the sun. So not all parts of the sun have equal gravity at the same time. The gravity areas of the sun changes as the sun turns on the axis. In parts where the sun's gravity is stronger, there is an extra mass of the star that collapsed in the other universe, added to the mass of the sun. Therefore, strong gravity in areas on the surface of the sun is the illusion of a magnetic field within the sun. Now we'll return to the matter of solar flip poles every 11 years. Pendulum clock model operates within the sun, swaying from side to side. Look at the fiery looping rain on the sun in which the white hole came out of the sun took place on July 19, 2012. Now look, there was another fiery looping rain on the sun less famous, on September 10, 2017. This is what happened at September 10, 2017, also white hole but only in the sun shell. This is 5 years and 3 months between the two seen. This is the time that the white hole reaches the other side of the sun. Look at this graph in a complete oscillation of the pendulum. This is exactly the complete cycle in which the polarity of the sun changes, 11 years. It is not that the polarity changes, it is only one phase movement that every about 5.5 years reaches the other side of the sun. This means that there is a constant oscillation between the star that has collapsed in the other universe and the sun. The definition that every 11 years becomes a polarized reversal is incorrect. The correct definition is, every 11 years the polarity of the sun returns to its original state. It is only one phase movement that every 5.5 years reaches the other side of the sun. Look at this drawing, every 5.5 years there is another pole. These are not magnetic fields, it is the force of gravity of the collapsed star that is added to the force of gravity of the sun. Indeed, it is not exactly 5.5 years but only 5 years and 3 months, but look at the diagram. The parabola rise time is shorter than the parabola decline and the total is 11 years. Therefore, the calculation is very accurate and the description of two fiery looping rain on the sun is correct and not accidental. The two cases of fiery looping rain on the sun which were shown at times different of 5 years and 3 months and the schematic description of sun polarity over the years, are the proof.